Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatan min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbana zidna ilma. Allahumma faqihna fid din. Today we are going to go over types of lamma in our short series. Lamma has three types in Quran. Lamma is an ism when it is followed by fi'l madin. When we see lamma with fi'l madin, it is ismiya, shartiya, zarfiya. It is adwatu shart, in which case we will see both jumla shartiya and jawabu shart in the past tense form. It is zarf zaman, noun of time, and it is labeled as mutalik bil fi'l or maf'ul fihi. So here we can see verse from Surah Al-Baqarah, فَلَمَّا أَضَاءَتْ مَا حَوْلَهُ ذَهَبَ اللَّهُ بِنُورِهِمْ. أضاءت is fi'l madin. Lamma is seen before it, therefore this lamma is ismiya, shartiya, zarfiya. Jawabu shart is ذهب الله بنورهم. So here we can see both jumla shartiya and jawabu shart are in the past tense form. Lamma has set a condition. Lamma is zarf zaman and is translated as when. The next two types of lamma are when lamma is a harf. It is going to be harf jazmin, wa nafyin, wa qalbin when it is seen with fi'l mudari. So when lamma is seen before fi'l mudari, it is harf jazmin, wa nafyin, wa qalbin. Since lamma is a harf, when it is seen before fi'l mudari, it is la mahalla lahu min al-i'rab, like any harf. Lamma here, walamma yadkhulul imanu fi qulubikum. Here we see lamma is present before fi'l mudari, therefore this is harf jazmin. And mudari is majzoom bisakun after lamma. The kasra that is here is a temporary kasra for iltaqai sakinain. Lamma also negates jumla filia after it. A special feature about this negation is that it takes into account the beginning of the time till the time of conversation, and it tells us the action has not yet occurred or happened since the beginning of the time till the time of conversation. So in the entire time, this action has not taken place. The third feature of this harf lamma, when it is seen before fi'l mudari, is that it is harf qalbin as well. What does it mean? It changes the tense into the past tense. It pushes the mudari into the past tense form. Now mudari is no longer translated as present future. It is translated in the past tense form. The last type of lamma is when lamma is not followed by a fi'l. When a fi'l does not come after it. Lam yati badaha fi'l. Lamma is again a harf in this case. Since it's a harf, therefore it is la mahalla lahu min al-i'rab. It is harf hasr bimani illa. It is translated as except. Every time when we see lamma in Quran and it is not followed by any fail, it is going to be harf hasr bimani illa. It will be translated as except. Here we can see in Surah At-Tariq, verse number 4, in kullu nafsin lamma alayha hafiz. So alayha, since it is not a fail, therefore this lamma is harf hasr bimani illa. So in nutshell, in Quran, we will see three types of lamma. It is going to be ismiya, shartiya, zarfiya when it is followed by fi'l madin. This lamma, which is adwatu shart, has both jumla shartiya and jawabu shart as fi'l madin in the past tense form. Since it's a zarf, it is going to act like a mudaf, and the sentence after it is going to be mudaf ilayhi. Since our sentence is going to be mudaf ilayhi, therefore we are going to label it as fi mahalli jarrin, since we have learned every mudaf ilayhi is jarrin status. As we know, lamma is ismiya when it is before fil madin, therefore it does have i'rab. It is labeled either as mutalik bil fil jawabu shart, or it can be called maful fihi as well, since this gives us information about time. So here in verse from Surah As-Saf, verse number 6, فَلَمَّا جَاءَهُمْ بِالْبَيِّنَاتِ قَالُوا هَذَا سِحْرٌ مُبِينٌ. So here, lamma is ismiya, shartiya, zarfiya, because it is followed by fi'l madin. Both jumla shartiya, jawabu shart are fi'l madin. Lamma is mutalik bil qalu. Lamma is going to act like a mudaf, and this sentence ja'ahum bil bayyinati is mudaf ilayhi fi mahalli jarrin. Lamma is ismiya, therefore it is labeled as maf'ul fihi or mutalik bil fi'l qalu. And this is a little bit about lamma when it is ismiya, shartiya, zarfiya. Then comes the next type of lamma, which is harf jazmin, wa qalbin, wa nafyin. This lamma is seen with fail mudari. It is seen before fail mudari. It makes mudari majzoom, as we can see here. وَلَمَّا يَعْلَمِ اللَّهُ يَعْلَمْ. يَعْلَمْ is majzoom bilamma. The sukoon on the meme is changed into temporary kasra for iltaqai sakinain. It is just for the tajweed purpose. It is just a temporary sukoon for iltaqai sakinain. The word is majzoom bisakoon bilamma. Lamma is negating the sentence. It is going to push the meaning into the past tense. Therefore, it is called harf qalbin. Since it's a harf, again, it is going to be la mahalla lahu min al-i'rab. The last type of lamma is harf hasr bimani illa. If you do not see any fail after lamma, just think of lamma harf hasr bimani illa, translated as except. Understand that it is la mahalla lahu min al-i'rab, since it is a harf hasr. And that's all you need to know. Here in the verses from Quran, you can see lamma jami'un, lamma mata'u, lamma alayha. In all these three cases, lamma is not followed by any fi'l. Therefore, I am going to call it harf hasr bimani illa. And I'm going to translate all these three lammas as except. This is little bit about lamma and the types of lamma in Quran. I hope you find this beneficial. If you do share. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.